What's the secret to longevity? In blue zones, parts of the world where people live the longest, people don't try to live longer. It just happens to them. Over the last 10 years, our Blue Zones research team has traveled to 5 confirmed places where people live the longest. We discovered 9 common characteristics that help identify a path for up to 12 extra years of a healthier life. How? Let's start with some facts. We know that only 20% of how long the average individual lives is because of genes. The other 80% is lifestyle and environment. We spend $110 billion a year on diets, exercise programs, and supplements. Some have the right idea, but offer a quick fix, not a long-term solution. If you're overweight, it's probably not your fault. Candy bars, sugary drinks, and salty snacks tempt us where we work, shop, and socialize. More than half our calories come from junk food. No wonder 2/3 of us are overweight. Science shows that self-control can take us only so far in improving our health. Eventually, we have to improve our surroundings. We make hundreds of mindless decisions every day that affect our health. By changing small things like the proximity of food in your kitchen, making the active option the easy option by getting a dog and getting rid of mechanical conveniences, you can start adding years to your life. Blue Zones has gathered all the best practices in the world for creating a healthy environment and produced a list of best practices for people and communities to choose from. For individuals, it starts by taking the Blue Zones Personal Pledge. This free pledge helps make the healthy choice in your life the unavoidable choice. The pledge helps you move naturally all day long, have less stress in your life, make it easier to eat more nutritious food with fewer calories, and connect more with the right people. On the community level, we start by examining all of the things that influence our everyday lives. Since most people spend their time within 10 miles of their homes and work, we focus on their life radius. We have over 150 evidence-based interventions, nudges, and defaults that have worked elsewhere. Then we work with city leaders and organizations to choose the ones that are right for their communities. We optimize building designs for better health. We've identified changes that can help people at schools, grocery stores, restaurants, and workplaces eat less, eat better, move more, and connect socially. We help people find their purpose, their passions, strengths, and help them find a place to put those gifts to work in the community. We know that volunteers weigh less, have lower medical costs, and have higher well-being than people who don't volunteer. Science shows behaviors and attitudes are contagious. So, we help connect groups of people ready to change their health with other like-minded people. Others around them start to do the same. Pretty soon, an entire community can change for the better, and the Blue Zones Project is here to help. Our experts work directly with your community to develop the expertise, motivate the masses, and reverse engineer your physical environment for a perfect storm of influence that leads to a critical mass of change. Blue Zones Project cities have seen obesity and smoking rates drop while seeing their well-being rise. This adds up to not only millions of dollars in savings, but more importantly, a better place for our children to grow up. Take the pledge today. At first, it takes some commitment, but before you know it, it'll be second nature to live longer, better.